Okay. Oh, and horrible way to start. So I need the game info. I need a lot of game info. You want black username, text, white your name, text, black rank, text, white rank, text, handicap, number, black one, yes, no. Let's put result. What else comes in an SGF file? Hello, waifu. Size. Number. Date. Played. Text. Homie. Number. Rules. Text. Hello, moth. Man, that was a delayed reaction. That was a delayed illness. Like, when did you start? It's probably not from Go Congress at this point. main time number overtime number gotcha. Theory Yomi periods number excuse me. um 115, wow. Okay. Oh, name. Now we need to get some other stuff. Not bad against the Fordon.
Review started.
Why are you white against the Fordon? Don't do this. Stop doing this. You deserve to lose for that move. Yeah, this is for like 9Ps and stuff. Just approach like a normal human being. Or technically you're supposed to approach here, I guess, if you're following AI. Yeah, you're supposed to approach here. 3-3 is just not good for amateurs. Like, the thickness is too much. See, approach is better. Approach is better. If you want to lose, play 3-3. It's fine. It's not good though. I'm going to assume you're better at the opening than me because this feels good for black. White plus 1.1. So yeah, I guess you have better judgment than the opening, whatever. Really? Why? Ah, it is here, huh? No, this is better. Ha ha. Ha ha. Ha ha, my move's better. My move's better. Here? Here? The heck is that move? Whatever you say. Whatever you say. What? Hold up. I don't know. No, this is a game review. Hello, Somya. And hello, Mixo. This feels so good for black. Feels so good for black. Yeah, black's up by 7. There's 3. I am. I am. How did you know? This is what I'm talking about with your opening. I've said this several times. Your opening is better than mine because you're like copying AI and stuff, but it keeps getting you in middle game positions that you can't handle. Right? That's the problem with all these AI moves. Yeah, if you would just the game's so much easier if you don't get yourself into those situations. Yeah, I disagree with all your AI stuff. I like that move. Haha. Always off by 1 according to the AI. You're never on the right spot. Whatever. Whatever. I don't care. I liked your move. What? Makes sense. Makes sense. Too early, though. Maybe too early. Is it? Just give it? Just give it? Why? Oh, you're not alive. You're not alive. That does pose a problem. Well, this is not good for white. Yeah, 12 points. It's game over. Oh my gosh. This is just game over already. Is it? I mean, I guess you always have this move, right? I hate this position. Oh, chance. Here. Or here. This might be good. Ooh, ouch. My bad. My bad. Defend the weak group. My bad. My bad. This forces your opponent to attack you, so this just makes more sense. Yeah, it's not good. Black is dominating right now. One exchange first. One exchange first. Keep this crap dead. Cool. White's alive. All right, next problem. Ooh, that feels like overplay. Um, I don't know. I just do it. This can't be good for you. There's got to be a resistance somewhere. Yeah, you have to resist. Yeah, you have to resist. You can't. If you connect, you lose. Now there's no future. 16 points. Yeah, there's no future. No future here. Because what are you going to do? Jump and get knights moved? Or they stop attacking you? What are they? Clausius? Oh my gosh. Attack the weak group. Now this crap. Now this crap is activated again. What are they doing? Why are they not attacking you? Why are they trying to kill you? You did something wrong. Gotta be this move. Gotta be here. That has to be the move. Because you do that, and you have a squeeze. I am AI. I am cheating. What's wrong with this? Everything. Got it. Ooh, black just blundered hard. Oh, black blundered hard. That hurts. That's a 10-point mistake. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Threw away the entire position. How is that not a blunder? What in the world is a blunder on this server? Fair. Okay. No, that's the square shape. You can't make the square shape. You need a giraffe that turns its head. So like here. Nope, that doesn't work. That doesn't work. Then here. Gotta go one more. This is too easy to break. Ooh, they're fixing you. How convenient. Ooh, they're sacrificing. How inconvenient. Square shape is bad stuff. Here? I suppose. I suppose that's a difficult judgment to make. No, 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 no. You've got to be alive, right? Oh my gosh, do I have to go all the way back here? That's so stupid. No, no. Da 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 da. Okay, I give up. Fine. No. Whatever. Interesting offer that you have presented me. Yeah, that's bad. Okay. What? Greedy. I don't know the punishment though. Here? That can't be right. That can't be right. Oh wait, that's right. It's dead. No, then just don't leave the co. What kind of witchcraft? Who lives with that? Wow. Who can even live with that? What if I go here? So the punishment is to push. Yeah, push. Can you afford just doing in-game? 10 points? Maybe. I guess just start in-game. No, this is bad. This is bad. This is going to give them this move at the end of the sequence, which gives them points. This is good because it gets the squeeze in. So you get the squeeze in the future. This is big. Especially since it threatens this move. Ooh, black was supposed to go here. Black got a lot of points right here. That's not good. This is just not a good move. Get this move. And then this move. And then this move. That's not the move. Freaking get the end game. Two, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, this is not 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Maybe it's fine. This is clearly the biggest, right? Clearly. That's not endgame. This is what endgame looks like. Yeah, that's what endgame looks like. I don't know. Feels unnecessarily fancy. This is Gote! This is Gote! No, it's not. I'm stupid. I'm not. Oh, ignore me. Hey, you got the end game. Hey, you got the end game. Hey, you're getting the end game. That is 6 points, 7 points. That's not. It's not a thing. Not yet. Bada bum, bada bum, bada bum, bada 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 bada. Dang, this is not Sentai anymore. This is big. I don't know. It might be 7 points. I don't know. This is only 7 points right now. You get this stuff first. Like, this threatens 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10-ish. Maybe not. Let's see. If black gets it, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If white gets the follow-up, there. So you lose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11. That's only 7. You're not a 7 Gote yet. It's Gote. You gotta realize that Gote is small. This is clearly better. This is just clearly better. Because now when they go up, you Atari. Versus here, when they go up, you don't Atari. Huge difference. Huge difference for non-players. Here. If they want to give you the point, that's an extra point. So they're going to go here for co-threat. But if they go... maybe this is a quarter point better. How much is a co-threat worth? I don't know. Maybe you're right. See, this is the reason you should have connected. This crap like this. One, there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There. Connect. Atari. That's a double Atari. That would not be good. Push. Stop playing Gote moves. Stop playing Gote moves. Huh? It does. I was trying to count the value of this of this. But I think this is worse. But I was trying to count it. And then I saw if I do this, there's an Atari right there and then a kill. I was like, can't do that. Can't do that. Because I was trying to not let white have that for free. Yeah, that works. This one was big. So you lost a lot of points in endgame. Stop not getting this move. This is so Sente. Why are you not getting it? Oh my gosh, you deserve to lose by 2 points for that. That is a co-threat. You are not there yet. You still have this move. You are losing so many points in endgame. Is that Sente? No, it's not Sente, but it will be a point eventually. So this is better. D5 isn't a what? You right. You right. No, you wrong. Nah, maybe you're right. I don't see anything else. I don't see anything else. I don't see anything else. Hello, Jesserak. This played in person? Why'd you feel Tommy? Yeah, how many points did you lose in freaking endgame? Oh my gosh. 16 to 22. You lost 7 points in endgame. 7 points in endgame. So many points. Your endgame can be improved by 10 points at least. Oh, I am seeking students, by the way. Oh, it's on an ad. I'll tell it after the ad. Soga, you don't count. I mean, yeah, I guess, but like, it's meant for queue players. What was I doing? Last time you did one, there was like 10 moves. Depends on the server. Whatever you say. So I think what I would like to do is get a bunch of information and fill all of this out. We'll do black times white times. Actually, I don't know if this will work with handicap. What the fuck did I just do? Number. List. White times number list. And then we want all times per move. Number list. Okay, I need to start filling all this crap out. So, when we have an SGF and we load it, we have our Kifu in here. So we want a function called let's put this right here. Da da da. Da da da. Da da. Navigation. Okay. And let's put it above that. Da da da. Da da da. Exporting game information. Okay. So we want get player names. And we want this from the Kifu object. If Kifu if this dot keyfoo is equal to undefined, return. Otherwise, keyfoo dot, what the heck is the freaking syntax of this? Let's do console.log this dot keyfoo. And let's go to essential scripts on another tab so I don't have to keep tabbing back and forth. This was Gobon class. And then in our workflows, we want a folder populate review data. Do when condition is true, just once. Going to be game review, SGF is not empty, and group game review, black username is empty. And we are going to run JavaScript. And we're going to get the board A's board ID. Hello, Bats. What are you doing here? Aren't you streaming? Did you get bored or something? Run out of content? I'm going to get ads. I got ads. Okay, I've stopped caring. Ooh, you're in my corner. There you go. Ah, you stopped watching. What the heck? I don't care. Keep having to copy paste this function, and it's kind of funny. And also kind of annoying. Okay, so we get the Gobon from the ID. Do I have a loaded parameter? And board A's. I don't know. I probably want to put a loaded parameter on my board. We're gonna do boards ID underscore SGF loaded. We're not going to publish any value. Yeah, we will. SGF loaded, we'll publish a value, and the value type will be text. It'll be the SGF that we loaded. And then we're going to duplicate this. This is going to be SGF loaded. Board needs a state for SGF. New text SGF. Default value is empty. SGF equals this JavaScript bubbles value. Okay, and now we need to go into our scripts, into our Gobon class. Where is our bubble update? What happened here? When did I do this? How did that happen? Tell bubble move number. That'd be funny. Technically, nothing's broken right now. Copy. We want tell bubble. No, not there. Well, I'll want that there eventually. Just paste it again. I want this here eventually. Temp. Up here, though, I want load SGF. Tell bubble SGF loaded. Now, what was my parameter? SGF loaded. So the ID, and then it'll be SGF loaded, and then send the function with the SGF. And now we're going to call this. This dot. Oh, I can just send the SGF. Going to be this dot tell bubble SGF loaded. Now this should put the SGF into the board object. If you basically in coding, if nothing's broken, then you haven't found the bug yet, and that's scary. If nothing is broken, be afraid. Be very afraid. Okay. Why is that lagging? Hey, look, something's broken. What'd I do? Unexpected token identifier? What the heck is that? line 231. It did it again. kind of witchcraft? Someone hacking my script? Oh, I see. I had already fixed it, but I didn't fix right here. I see. I don't know how it happened in the first place, though, honestly. You guys like how the right side looks? I think the right side's looking pretty good. I got this much done last night, and then we do the moves. And it loads the moves for us. You can click on the moves. This is what I did last night before bed. I think it looks pretty good. I did loading SGF. Oh, that's right. I didn't call the function yet. So on the review page. And I don't want to console log on display go board every single time, because that's going to make my console very, very noisy. So every time I navigate a move, it displays my console log go board. A visual representation of the move's value, like which value? It has a lot of values. Which value specifically are you referring to? And probably yes, I'm planning to do that. Comment that out. Board logic. Go back to my Gobon class. Points value. Currently it's points, but I don't like it because it's too difficult to read and it doesn't make sense. What I'm going to put here instead is a color-coded circle that will be explained in like different tabs or whatever. It'll show you like which move's a mistake and which move's not a mistake, which move's the AI move, which move's inaccurate move, and then you can just click on it and you'll get the move information. So when you click on it, there will be a move issue thing that will give you all the information about the move, basically. But yeah, on this is technically the score, I believe, or the score change. I think it's a score change or something. Yeah. Which just is not obvious. So I'm just going to do a color icon, which is obvious, and then do that differently. I got to work on this coach tab, though. This coach tab is going to be so hard to come up with. I'm going to do a lot of interesting logic for the coach tab. I'm going to be like doing loop-de-loops for the coach tab. Loop-de-loops of logic. Oh, I didn't call the daggum function. Dadgummit. That's exporting game information. I need the export SGF. I need to tell Bubble that the SGF is loaded. Hello, PW. Not broken, but I think I had a couple requests if I remember. Let me refresh this. Okay. What did I send you? Oh yeah. The AI branches are not showing, or the AI review API is not showing any of the AI responses on the moves. Did I misunderstand that we were adding that on a simplistic level, as in just the first move or two, but not an in-depth per move, just something to quick glance at it, and then you can do an in-depth review button of, we'll have a button that'll go more in depth on that move if the user so chooses. But I thought there would be a default move for every move, which is easier said than done because I think that's a list of lists. Yeah, that's easier said than done. Okay, loading SGF. Something. Top move by rank. Hold on. When did you do that? That's what I was looking for. Let me make sure I don't show off my API stuff. In the review, let's go to raw. Okay, here's the raw. Yeah, where is it? Win rates. I don't see a list of moves. Score deltas. Win rate deltas. Did you like push it? Rank moves. Oh, rank. Hold up. Is it rank moves? Hold up. Is that what that is? Sorry, I thought this was one object. I didn't notice the brackets. My bad. I thought this would show a list on the raw. It did not. Let me access that. Let me see what I got. So in my move list, let's instead of this bullcrap, let's do AI's overall review. Let's do rank moves, item number, current sales index. Rank? Okay, I'm clearly doing this wrong. Clearly doing this wrong. Hold on. Let me make a just a temporary data. I'm clearly not doing it right though. Do this. Fill container. None. Okay. This is going to be a number. We're going to do add data source, review, game review, AI's overall review, rank moves, which is a list of rank moves. Okay. Rank moves. Oop. There we go. And now in the text, I'm going to put current sales index, colon, and then I'm going to put current sales review, do raw body text and see what that is. And then we're going to do a max width of 400. And then the gap between cells will be solid 8. It's at 8. We'll do solid blank. I don't care. Holy crap. That broke the whole page. Make the background. And let's make the max height 700. But it looks like there is no raw text on that one. Now I have a theory of what you did. That's my theory. I think you just confirmed my theory. Okay, sorry, 700. I wanted 300 and I want max 700 so I can scroll. Okay, so my theory is you went rank moves, turn, and then copy that, and then add, and then you did rank. So every rank has a turn. So the list should be however many ranks times the number of moves in the game. Is that correct? Yeah, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and then 1, 1. Yeah, that's how you did it. Okay, sorry. I misunderstood what you did. Let's see. Is this going to be expensive to filter? What if I do a filtered constraints rank equals 20 for the AI move specifically? Now let's see what we get. Is it not 20? Did I do it wrong? I thought it was 20. Or is it 18? I think yeah, it's 18. It was negative 20. Oh, it's negative 20 for the Q. It's 18 for the AI. I did it backwards in my head. My bad. My bad. My bad. Rank equals 18. Beautiful. This is exactly what I was looking for last night. That's exactly what I was looking for last night. I just couldn't find it. There we go. There we go. So move number 1 at level 18, and it'll give you the X and Y. That's what I wanted. That's what I wanted. Now, unfortunately, we can't do list of list. So I'd love to get the first like 4 moves on each one, but that would just be not doable. Yeah, but that's what I wanted. So let's do, this is going to be my repeating group AI moves. We'll do initial AI moves. Okay, and then we're going to none. I'm going to make this fixed and fixed. It's going to be 0 and 0. This is just going to be the data. I'm going to delete that. And then initial AI moves are going to go into our data folder. And then loading screen go away. Okay. I don't remember how to draw a blue circle. um, how do I draw a circle? First, let's draw something. Welcome home. I love you. What would you like to do? Hmm?
Making money.
Yeah. Yeah, today did not go well for money.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so let's get this. Copy that. So I got to convert X and Y again. This is going to be a nightmare. I hate converting X and Y. Okay, first let's just get X and Y and start there. Okay, so this is going to be repeating group, initial AI moves. This is just for testing. This actually isn't going to stay. List of moves, item number, current sales index, X. Dash. Copy that. Add. Paste. And this will be Y. So at A19, we did X plus 1 for the alphabet. And then this one did board size minus Y. This says 15.3. So that's 19, 18, 17, 16 on the Y, on the 16 on Y. So this is 16. And then it's 15th letter of the alphabet without I. Plus 1, so that's 16. So this actually is R16. And then this one says 3, 3. So it would be 19, 18, 17, 16. So it would be line 16. 4. So it would be 4, 4 right here. That's the AI move. Okay, so this one should be 3, 2. Basically, is going to be a 3, 4. I know 3, 4 here. 19, 18, 17, 17th line. So right here. What it would be? It would be D17. Sweet. I got the AI move. Yay! 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 So happy. The AI moves were there the entire time. I just didn't know it.
I'm glad.
All right, what was this other list then? What was the thing down here? Key moves. Right. Key moves. Right. Let us put an icon in there. That's going to be an exclamation mark. I think. Urgent. I need something for important. I don't need anything. I just need a circle. Shape. I'm gonna do 25 by 25. Maybe 20 by 20. And let's get our initial AI moves. We're going to duplicate this. And this is actually going to take in our key moves. And then we're going to say, when repeating group, I need to rename this. Key moves. When repeating group key moves, list of key moves, each item's turn. No, I don't need that. I need yeah. Filtered. This number is current cells index. Count is greater than 1 or greater than or equal to 1, which means it exists. Then this element is going to be visible. Otherwise, it's not. And then the background is going to be red. Now, can you tell me I don't know if you're still here, PW, but can you tell me the logic of what makes a key move? Is it just the largest mistake of that turn? Or the largest swing in points or the largest swing in percentage? Ooh, there it is. Way too big, though. Way too big. sort all moves by the largest point swing in either direction and call them, and then take the top 30. Oh. Oh. Okay. It might be useful. What I'm going to do is create a threshold that is dependent on what our slider of rank is. And depending on what the slider is, it'll show if the key moves are should be shown or not. That makes sense. So we can have the key moves. Actually, I don't even know if I need this, honestly, because I can probably find the key moves on my own. It would just be like if the score at this thing is greater than the threshold. But are they sorted by anything? Are they sorted by like the biggest swing at the top versus the lowest swing at the bottom? Because then I could just say the top 5 key moves are this. So like if I do repeating group key moves, items until number 5, I can get the top 5 key moves. Largest point swings at the top. Yeah, so I can get the largest key moves. Oh, I wanted that circle to be smaller. My bad. Shape. Let's make this 10 by 10. I love how I don't have to call the AI every single time I refresh the page. That would have been so expensive. All right, so this will be the top 5. No. I mean, there's no if it already exists, there'd be more effort to remove it than to ignore it, and maybe it becomes useful in the future. We don't know. So I don't see anything wrong with leaving it. All right, so this is a key move. Or is this a key move? Or is this a key move? This doesn't feel right. This doesn't feel right at all. Let me actually display it. Let me display it. Key moves. Put it right here. Rows, fill container, style, solid, 8 pixels. Let's just do all the items. We'll do 30. Height, fill, max, we'll do 600. And then we're gonna put fixed 100. We're gonna do current cells index dash currents key moves move number. Do I have move number? Move XY turn player. Oh, I don't have a move number. That would be useful. Okay. Okay, yeah, that would be helpful. Maybe it's turn. Is turn a move number? It might be turn. And then we're going to do the score delta. And then the win rate delta. Okay, number one is move 174. $174. You too. Not working. What's wrong? Is it just lagging? Do I have the wrong game record? What the heck? 236. $143. Dadgummit, did I do it again? Let me get a different game. Maybe this was a game from a different review or whatever. Let me go to one that I haven't done before. There we go. 249 moves. Okay. So this will call the AI. So it's going to take like 10, 15 seconds to start up. Oh, actually, it'll be start review. Yeah, so I can navigate. It has the game. Start review. Where's my text? This could take up to 10 seconds. All right. 249, 249. There we go. Yeah, I think that was a broken record. Anyway, this one is 205 is a key move, is the biggest key move. 205 is the biggest key move. The AI move is not displayed. 6.569. I should show the AI move. So I can see like where it should have played. But it says this is the largest mistake. So this is a number, a negative number, and then a negative number. So that's cell move number. And then score delta should be this. Then what is this? Why is there two negatives and a positive? Let me make this wider. Make it easier to read. And I'm also going to put the move current cell, no, copy, paste, key moves, turn, move, X, dash, add, copy, paste, and then scores deltas, we're actually going to format that to 2 decimals. And win rate delta, we're going to format that to 2 decimals. And then finally, we're going to put AI move. Going to be seeding group, initial AI moves, item number, current sales index, X, copy. And then we're gonna paste. Let's add some gaps. Move, AI move, save. This is gonna be Y. Refresh. Let's see what we got. Okay. Now it says the biggest mistake is 205. Enable AI review. Says this is the biggest mistake. This is not readable. Blunder 111. Oh, moves pending 147. Oh, it's not even done reviewing it. Oh my gosh. Okay. 205. Two oh five, 205, 205, 205, 205. So it says move 205. Should have been move 00. What? Key moves X and key moves Y. Oh, these are 0-bit indexed. I might need a +1. Zero 12. That's X. Hello, Apotos something.
Apoteo7 just
Apoteos.
raided with 6 viewers.
Thank you for the raid. And if you are a Q player, you can ask for a review. I'm just coding, but if you want a review, I can do so real quick. We are playing around with AI review tools. Okay, move 205, 205, 205, 205. Move 205. Now it's possible this should be 206. So the move 012, so 19 minus 12, 87 is 7th line. Yeah, it's move 206. It says this is the largest mistake. Really? The AI move was 3-3, so instead of this, the AI move was to play 19, 18, 17, 16, line 16 at line 4? That's not right. AI move. These are hard to calculate. So this is the column. So it's either the third column, or the 19, 18, 17th, 16th column. So it's either Q. Oh, down here, Q or P, Q or C. On line 3 or 4. Both of these moves are taken. Okay, what the heck? What the heck? If we start from the top left, which I think is the directions I gave, then this should be 4-4, which is taken, or 3-3, which is taken. Where the heck is this move? Move 0-12. So here's 19, 18, 17. Yeah, 0-12. So we add 1, so 1-7, 1-7. This is 1-7 or A7. Says this is a mistake, and instead it should have been D. D16. D16 is played. This is not right. Something's wrong. Oh, I think I noted it wrong. I think I noted it wrong. I think I noted it wrong. It's my bad. It's always my fault. My fault, my fault, my fault. The AI move does not use current cells index. It uses the move, the turn. My bad. My bad. Now the turn is going to be 205. So this actually might be wrong. It might need to be 206. Yeah, I think it's going to need to be 206. So this is 14, 16. So 15, 1, 2, or let's see, 16. So it's P. P 19, 16, 17, 18, 19, P3. P3. Oh my gosh, this is so annoying to load. 205. 205. 205 should have been P3. 206 is the big mistake, though. Okay, let's do item number, key moves, turn, +1. Key moves, turn, +1. All of this is just me trying to understand the AI review better. I'm not even like making any progress on the website. I'm just making progress in my education. So on move 205, it should have been, what is it? A5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's either E or F. I think it's F. 18, 17, 16, 15. F15 on move 205. Oh, 206. Oh. And it was a 6.57 mistake. So instead of this move, it's saying white should have played this move. So white should have saved these pieces instead of capturing these pieces. That makes sense. That's correct. Yay, the AI is correct. Wow. Who would have thought the AI knows what they're doing? Yeah, apparently that's a 7-point mistake. Let's see what this says. 29, 20. Yeah, so 9 minus something, 28, 27. 27 or 28-point mistake. Or 7 or 8-point mistake, yeah. Yeah, that's correct. That is correct. We figured it out. We figured it out. So what's this blunder then? Move 111. Wait, this is an 11-point mistake. Is this on here? Move 111? $205. Move 75. 94. 93. I don't see 111. This is hard to read. Current sales index. I'm gonna do that. And then over here, I want this to actually show everything. Even if it takes a little bit longer, it's really annoying to navigate. Show all items immediately. Okay. So it says move 111 is a mistake. That it should be a Novi. So is move 111 in here? 75, 93, 227, 188, 169, 148. It's not, no, it's not in here because it would have been red. That's weird. This says it's a blunder. It's the biggest mistake of the game. What does AI Sensei say? Four-point loss? Not one of the AI Sensei blunders. Because the biggest one was move 208. What was our biggest one? 206. This says we only lost 3.5 points. But let me put this on a more powerful AI Sensei. This says this is a huge mistake. Really? A 10-point mistake. I'll move 111. And then 208 was the second biggest. With 206 being a 7-point mistake, but the biggest was 208 and 111. 208 and 111. One 11 is not one of our key moves. And 208 or 207, whatever, that's because it's off by 1. That is one of our key moves. Let's go to 207. It is not one of the top mistakes. PW, if you're still there, what are the settings for the initial AI review? Because this is missing things. It says 011. These are useless. I don't know what that's supposed to be. Oh, these are on the wrong move. This is 208 is a key mistake, but it doesn't show up in here. Only shows one blunder, and that's move 111. And then for AI Sensei, 111 and 208. So something is wrong with the key moves. I'm actually going to try something else in just a second, so let me use the restroom and I'll be right back. Okay. So I want to try a thing. Right now, let's see, where can I put it though? Let me try to reduce this lag real quick. Hold on. This current cell, blah, blah, blah. Conditional. Yep. Da, da, da. Copy this text. When cell move number is visible, then we'll make the text something. Well, I'm streaming. Maybe I'm not sure if you should stream instead of me. It's nice. I'm not sure if PW is even still here. Who do you think would? Well, I was trying to sell lessons too.
Already.
Um, I mean, technically this needs to be done eventually, but it's not like a high priority. The next updates are coding updates, which is going to be the AI review and the what did I call it? Not training, the assessments.
Mhm.
The assessment and the AI review are the next big updates. I've already done social media. No, you're the big one about the house needing to be cleaned. Hmm. And you don't want to just enjoy your time? Because I wouldn't mind you just having fun. I don't know. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know. Just you having fun would be fine for me, and then I can consult you when I start working on UI stuff again. Love you. I'm sorry. All my stuff requires coding.
Which I can.
Visible text gonna be paste. And then we need to center this. And then not collapse. That should fix the lag. Nope, didn't fix the lag at all. Did not do a thing. So there's no way to improve the lag here. Hmm. And then I can't just be like, hey, when repeating group, move numbers, loading, no, and this element is visible. There we go. Still takes a while for this to load. Is it not loading at all? Oh, forgot to toggle that. That's why it loaded so fast. Dang it. That's what I want to see. Yeah, that's acceptable. There's no getting it faster than that, I think. Yeah, I don't think there's a way to get it faster than that. Okay, now let's get this key moves. Let's duplicate this. Now in key moves copy, let's get the game review. Oh, that's type of content. Expression. Game review, game review. Okay, let's try AI's overall review. And then we're going to sort it. We can't sort it. Oh, that's right. Oh, we can do moves. Moves. No, that just gives us X and Y. Scores. That's just a list of numbers. Do rank moves. Filtered. We're going to say rank equals 18. And we're going to sort it by, what's probability? Um, hmm. Hmm. Let me get all this, put it in this. This is going to be easier to read. Oh my gosh, that's tapped like crazy. Okay. I don't know. Okay, Komi, rules, player black, player white, result, no moves. Visits per move 1. Um when do we need groceries? Okay. So let's lower scores and win rates. Score deltas and win rate deltas. Rank legend. The heck is rank legend? Rank label profile clamped note. Rank moves, turn rank XY probability. I'm assuming that's win rate. Key moves. Don't have moves though, which would be convenient. We don't need a points lost variable on key moves, because that's score delta. Okay, I do have a request for P-dubs now. On/review, can I get a list of the moves in a similar format to key moves, where we have turn, we need player. Let's do player. That'll make it easier for sorting. Turn, player, move. X, Y, score delta, win rate, delta, and then have the score of that turn as well. Game score. Would I need anything else? I need a water. The kitties are sleeping in the window. So I could sort it by the score delta, by the win rate delta, by the player who made the move. Then I'll have access to the turn of the move. So I could sort it by game score, score delta, win rate delta, and move. Yeah. So I need a list of all of the moves. Yeah, that would be helpful. Also, I think the initial AI moves might be a tad weak. Ours missed a couple key moves that Node.js and AI Sensei pointed out. Okay. I'm actually curious about this. Ads. As you add. In the meantime, how can I sort this? I already have this. But there's no sorting it. Oh, that is unfortunate. I ask a question. Would you like to get us ice cream and then stream? I can get. I'll get off. I think you need it more than I do.
That's fine.
No, I think you need a distraction. You just don't want to be on camera. Would you mind if I was fine with it? Or would you enjoy it? How much money do I have? How much is ice cream from Sonic? How much is ice cream from Sonic? Because I want an Oreo Blizzard something another. An Oreo something. Unless there's not a Dairy Queen down the road, right?
We're on Spring Street.
No, just right over there. Okay. Just coffee and Sonic. Okay. An Oreo something Sonic. Sounds pretty good. Yeah, I'm just gonna delete this. And then this one I do want to keep, I think. I'm going to delete the text though. Okay. Fix number 1. Solid none. Fixed, 0, 0. Nice. Just put it on Bank of America. Okay. Refresh this page. That's much better.
You just want the mini?
What's a mini? How small is an extra small?
Mhm.
Well, I don't want a large. I think just give me a regular small. That should be fine. And get you whatever you want. Okay. So we need to start setting some thresholds. We want option sets. New option set. Level mistake thresholds. Level mistake limits. I don't know how to spell thresholds. Is there 2 H's? No, it looks like there's only one. Level mistakes thresholds. Create new attribute. This is going to be level. Create new attribute. This is going to be level sort number. This can be a number. And then we're going to say this blunder min. We're going to do min blunder. Min blunder. Going to be a number. We're going to do that for now. Then we'll do that more in a second. Let's do level 0. Level 1. Level 2. Level 3. Level 4. Level 5. Level 6. Level 7. Level 8. Level 0 is going to be 0. Level sort number is going to be 0. Min mistake threshold for a beginner, let's say 20 points. For a blunder. Level 1 is going to be level 1. It's going to be number 1. Men blunder 15 points, maybe? I don't know. Just throwing numbers out there right now. Yes, please. 2, 2. Men blunder, we'll say 12. How much is it? Okay, we're good. Level 4 is level 4. 4. 10, I suppose. No, that's. I need this to be like 15. 15 for a single digit Q. Means this one needs to be level 3. 3. This one needs to be like, I don't know. All right, love you. Drive safe. 18. 20. 25. 30. So you have to make 30-point mistake at level 0 to be a blunder. Okay, we got level 4, 15. Level 5. 4Q to 1Q. 5. We'll do 12. Level 6. We'll sort number 6. Men for a blunder is going to be 10. Level 7. 5 to 6 on. 7. Minimum blunder is going to be 7 for Comey. And then level 8. Level 8. Level sort number 8. We'll say a blunder is going to be we'll say 4. Be we'll see if that works. Now, in here, we need to get the shape. Shape C, we're going to call this shape quality. Move quality. Okay, so we're going to clear that. Now we're going to say repeating group. No, we're going to get the review. Review page. No, not review page. Review. Game review. Game review. As over review. We're going to get scores deltas. Item number. Current sales index is greater than or equal to. And now we need something. Do we want a slider? Or a drop down? Let's do a slider. Loaded min max. Okay. On page load. No, 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 no. Yeah. General, page is loaded. Element, set the state of an element. Custom slider, add all states, loaded. There. Page is loaded. I don't know what load is for. Max is going to be 8. Min is going to be 0. And then we need the current. How does my slider work? Like, we need the current value. Oh, this is a range. Dang. Okay. Delete that. Okay, let's get a slider. Let's get a normal slider. Initial content is going to be dynamic. Current users, rank, level, sort number. Type simple. Look, new vertical range. That's cool. Mm-hmm. 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 Slider. The text value going to be get an option, thresholds, all options, sorted by sort number, ending equals no, item number, slider input A's value, display. Rank. Center that. Back to my shape. Move quality. Is greater than or equal to. Get an option. Threshold. All options. Sorted by level sort number. Ending is no. Item number, slider input, value, min blender. Element is visible. No blunders at level 3, huh? What if I put it levels 5? What? Oh, did I do this backwards or something? No. Five, 6, 7. Okay. Oh. Can't go to 8. What the heck? Min value 0, max value 8. And not put 0? This is some lag. Okay, this is not working out at all. All right, delete that. Delete that. Do a drop down instead. Thresholds. I might have to restart the page soon. Yep, it froze. It froze. Bubble froze. Bubble froze. Review page. Choose an option. Oh, mistake thresholds. Choices. Threshold sorted by full sort number. Descending is no. Current options display. So what's going to be shown? Default value is hidden option threshold where all options filtered. Ooh, this mistakes threshold level sort number is current users rank level sort number. Okay. So When the delta is greater than or equal to drop down A's value min blunder. When the score deltas, the score change is greater than or equal to drop down's values min blunder. First item. That's a mistake. That's a mistake. That was 121. 111, still not a mistake, huh? Hmm. Wait, is the delta always positive? Because that should be always positive, right? Mm. Review. Game review. Score deltas. Item number. Current sales index. Formatted as 2 decimals. They are negative. Got it. Dang. How come they're not all negative? Oh, because it goes in black's favor as positive. Shouldn't they all be negative? No. I mean, shouldn't they all be positive for white and negative for black? How is there? I guess these are better than AI moves when they're positive. No, negative should be good for white. This is better than the AI move. This doesn't seem right. This doesn't seem right. Oh yeah, it's right. It's right. Maybe it's not. Odd. Thank you so much. This looks so delicious. Oh my gosh. Gotta eat fast. No, napkin. Ah, ice cream melting. It's
You take the lid off.
melting. I didn't know it would do that if I took the lid off. They filled that to the brim, man. Good ice cream. Teeth freeze. How do I do absolute value? Bubble IO. Get absolute value. Okay, no. Does not have a built-in. Okay, let's do this. Group element and an aligned to parent container. Game review, overall review, or deltas. Item number, current sales index, number. Copy. When it is less than 0, then our data source is going to equal this. Times -1. This would be group absolute score delta. Expression when parent group's number is greater than or equal to drop down A's values Min one. It's good. I gotta lower these thresholds. Six points. 0.57. So here we go. 9.5 mistake. No. It says negative, which is in white's favor. What? I just bit my tongue. Oh. This doesn't make any sense. This doesn't make any sense. I can't eat it. It just hurts too bad. No ice cream for me anymore. Oh, that sucks. I cannot eat ice cream.
Yeah.
No, I just bit my tongue trying. Nope. Cannot do it.
Yeah, I got fixed it.
Where are you? Oh, there you are. Nice. I don't like how this lags every time you close and open the tab. Okay. Okay. To undo stuff we did before. And then you know. Let me know when you're done. Eating ice cream. I thought might want to stream. Unless you don't want to be on camera. Have you? Hmm. Weird. Why does that not show up? Trying to make a little loading circle happen and it's not happening. Why does it take so long? Oh no. Okay, disconnect from chat. Group total moves is visible. Why? Why is it doing this? The win condition is true. Just once. Play data in repeating group. Display list in repeating group. Move numbers. Paste. No, really? How do I put this input cannot be empty? I think I'm gonna just raid bats and we can just hang out.
Okay.
Got 70 viewers right now. Nice. Gosh, with the ads. And I can't even go to a different tab because it'll pause the ad. You mind eating this for me? Or at least taking it out from in front of my face? It's teasing me.
It's alright.
Tasted so good. Alright, let's just raid bats.
Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, adios, guys.
Oh shit.